Innovation is such an important tool for creativity. It's those new possibilities that lead to new ideas, that lead to elevating whatever it is you're doing. There's so many parallels between the world of floral and what we do in food, the design aesthetic, the reverence for the season and the balance and the color. I love to have that sort of collaboration. Well, we are looking for those big creative breakthroughs. What is that new thing? What is that thing that we can create that no one's ever seen before?